Super Tech Guru friends, and I'm going to review this DEWALT powerful kit which have one very good DEWALT 20X MAX XR drill, cordless drill with the brushless motor and one brushless motor impact driver, two batteries and one charger. See, battery one is here. And how I fix the battery on the drill, see, this is with brushless motor and here is a different gear setting I can do, and here is different screw driving setting I can do. And see, I am using this kit from last near about more than 1 year, and it is very durable product. See, and see, here is, if I want to change the tool, just rotate it and very easily it is removed and then fix it like this. See, the trigger is very soft. And here is how I fix the battery. The battery is here, 20V MAX XR battery. See, and press and it is very, see, ready to use. Very good durable drill. It is very compact in size, and I am using to complete my window fixing, drywall fixing projects. And here is very powerful impact driver, brushless motor. It is 20X MAX impact driver, and here is flashlight too, so I can use this impact driver during the night and complete my task. And here is a three different gear set I can adjust, and I complete my task. And see, press this and little push and it is removed and recharge again. See, this is the DEWALT lithium ion battery charger in this kit, and it recharge the battery from 12 volt to 20 volt. See, and this how I recharge the battery. Press this lock and see, it is now fixed. And see, now if there is red blinking light, it means it is charging the battery right now. And if it is stable light, means the battery is fully charged. And to check the battery how much it is charged, here is an indicator. See, 3 green light means almost battery fully recharged. And here is a bag which is big enough and very durable and very good bag. I put my all the devices in it, and it have a very good handle and with zipper. And see, this is really good toolkit for DEWALT, and very useful, and I recommend this. It is very compact, very good motor and brushless motor, and lightweight with the 2 batteries. And this charger recharge my battery within 2 hours when it is fully discharged. See, and very durable batteries also. And when I start working from the morning and till night, battery works very good. I recommend this kit.